Welcome to episode 2 of Behind the Scenes. Who are we shooting tonight?
Kristen and Chris.
Kristen and Chris. I'm so excited. It's a nice day out in Hoboken. I came from Long Beach Island today and it was super crappy out, but it is super nice. We're gonna have a beautiful sunset. When are they getting married? Next year?
July 4th.
July 4th next year. So follow along behind our second episode of Behind the Scenes. This time an engagement photo shoot in Hoboken.
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
We are here at Court Street tonight in Hoboken. It is a super cute little hidden gem in town with a lot of amazing textures and colors. We're gonna start you guys here in front of this door. All right, that's great warm up. Go ahead and look at each other. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna have you guys back up and we're gonna do some walking stuff. Cute. Now look at each other. Perfect. Pause right here. Go in for a kiss. Nice. Now you can come out of it. And now this time when you go in for the kiss, Kristen, go ahead and rest your hand on Chris's cheek and bring him into you. Perfect. You guys both look perfect, so I can't tell anything.
Oh my God.
So you guys are already holding the correct hands. Gonna twirl her one way and the other. You guys are doing great. Why are you bending? Wrap your arms around her waist. Kristen, you can throw your arms up over him. Just drape them over and come in nice and close together. Perfect. And go ahead and look at each other. So cute. All right, let's bring you guys out this way. Go ahead and close your eyes, Kristen. Keep kissing her. Yeah. Keep going. And now kiss with your teeth. Good. Tuck her hair behind her ear. Oh, that's sweet. Now I want you guys to walk toward me. Good. Now look at each other. Perfect. Hitchhike. Now Kristen, go ahead and give him a kiss on the cheek there. Love. Hold that. Bring your noses together. Yeah. Look at each other. Good. Well, we have a lot of fun and we want to make sure you guys are comfortable and having a good time. And I think especially when it comes to the wedding day, like just knowing that you basically already done a shoot, because it's not like as hard as people make it seem. Yeah. It's like you're just gonna be yourselves, right? And we're just gonna, yeah, we'll give you like some pointers and stuff, but we're not gonna make you feel like you're not yourselves. Hey everybody, Alan and I are here with Kristen and Chris, and we're doing a little mid-engagement session check-in. Are you guys having fun?
So much fun.
So much fun! Yeah!
This is where the orange wall is.
This is it.
Live right there.
Are you serious?
You make it look so beautiful.
Thank you. It's part of the magic. Bring her into you. Yes, hold that right there. You guys are the cutest. Good. Yeah. Nice, and keep holding that. So I'm gonna get a little more close. Perfect.
1, 2, 3.
We are headed to the Rocky Beach in front of the Blue Eyes restaurant just north of Pier C in Hoboken. And it's a really cool little rocky beach that has some really nice views of the city. So we're gonna head that way. Hold that. We're headed to the Stevens campus, and it has some really nice, sorry, this is not smart. I'm sorry, Connor, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, it's not open.
The little thing that goes out.
Yeah, let's do that. I think we can walk to it right here. It's very beautiful. So this is sort of like the same as the overlook. So we're good.
Did you do anything?
You guys are just great as you are. A little too warm. Put your noses together. Yeah, guys, super sweet. Let's have them walk. Good. Since the overlook was blocked off, and now we're gonna make our way down to this corner of the water walkway and do some side-eye.
So I'm shooting on 85 because light seems to keep changing right now since the sun's going down. So I'm leaving my ISO at like 400, which seems high. This way I can just adjust my. So what you're gonna do is just swag, walk up, whatever you gotta do, but you're gonna scare the shit out of her with love.
She said to scare you with love, and then I'm like, do I scream?
You do.
I'm just looking at my list of prompts that I use. Do you know how to play rock, paper, scissors?
Yeah.
So I'm getting my LED light. I love a good backlight. Hopefully it looks cool. It'd be nice to have that stuff, especially cutting to them walking the same way with their wedding dress. And I love to create some intimate moments and get laughter. That's what I'm all about, just having a good time. I just want to capture them in the moment.
If I go to the street light over here where there's like the greenery behind it,
It's gonna flicker like crazy. I would say the benefit of doing, taking video with the engagement shoot is like, the biggest thing is, it's just a chance to hang out with a couple. Like most of the time, videographer don't get to meet them until the day of. We just finished an amazing engagement shoot with Kristen and Chris.
woo, it's so fun. All right, that's it from us.
Bye! Thank you again for coming along, episode 2 of Behind the Scenes.
Yes.
Stay tuned for more.
Stay tuned. Thank you.
See ya.